Okay, have you recently gone into your LG ThinQ app to take a look at your devices only to realize they're offline? As you see, the washer and dryer here are both offline, even though your Wi-Fi is working. So if I tap on the washer and then go to the settings widget, you can see it is on Wi-Fi. So what to do? Click on Change Wi-Fi Network and it'll guide you through. So then you want to turn your unit on, and then in Delay Wash, where it says Wi-Fi, press and hold for 3 seconds. Now you can see the Wi-Fi icon blinking. And then back on your app, you want to go ahead and click Done. Okay, so it tells me now to go into Wi-Fi and go to the LG Smart Laundry 2. So let me do that. Go to Wi-Fi. And there's that built-in Wi-Fi. Okay, it says it's connected. Hey, and it's reconnected. Tap here to go to LG ThinQ. And it's back on. Okay, select the Wi-Fi, which I do. I'll put in the password. And it's changing the network now. And the network is changed. Changed back, actually, more like anything. And now I have the ability to see it once more.